Over here, you can see that I have some video clips on my timeline, and each of them have their own set of in and out points set. So now, let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and then move this particular clip right here a bit to the right, but I don't want the in and out point for this clip to be changed, but I want to change the in and out point of these clips right here. So if I were to go around right and then click and drag this out right here, the end point of this video clip changes. Then I can move this out right here and change the out point of this clip right here. So that's a tedious process, as you can see right here. So the process is known as slide, and over here, if you were to go around on the left side, you can see that slide tool is an option. If you were to go around and click right here, then the slide tool actually becomes active. Now what you can simply do is you can click and drag around and the same thing happens. So as I move around this particular clip, the clip slides right here on the left and right hand side as you like. And what happens is that the in point of this particular clip changes, and that is the out point of this particular clip changes while in point of this particular clip changes right here as I slide on these clips right here. And as you slide on, you can see that you can go around and make adjustments as you like right here. And the benefit of this is the timing of the overall edit does not actually change unless the clip length is not like less than what you slide with right here. So as you move around, you can see that the timing stays intact while you can go around and change around the placement of the clip. So that is how you can utilize the slide tool inside of HitFilm. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.